Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Situated in the salubrious residential division in Unity Hall, previously called Pimento Hill St. James, with views to the sea and north coast, main road, and shoreline, is the subject three-story villa comprising 9 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Ground floor entails 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, enclosed veranda, open concept living, dining, and kitchen, and an internal stairway that provides access to the first floor, which then entails 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The top floor of this lovely villa is actually a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom penthouse that is accessed by an external staircase, which has its own open air veranda that boasts breathtaking views of the ocean, ideal for an entertainment area. This villa also has room for expansion, as there is ample land space at the back which can be used to install a swimming pool or additional parking. The land area is approximately 19,574 square feet. This is an investor's dream. Price to sell, ready to go. And as a bonus, the owner has decided to throw in a pickup truck with the deal. Some other features include porcelain tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, fully walled, standby generator, guest house, family oriented, view of the ocean, recreation nearby, and quiet area. The asking price for this villa is US $495,000 or Jamaican $76 million. To purchase or make an offer, please visit the description below. Now, let's take a look at this villa and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.